Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a product that I saw at a recent conference and immediately thought it would be great to share with my audience. This is the Lil Nipper. It's an electronic fingernail clipper and it comes to us from Clip Different. We'll be right back and I'll tell you all about it. Huge thank you to Clip Different for sending out the Lil Nipper so I could make this video for you guys. Cutting fingernails is still one of those things that a lot of people with vision loss struggle with. Not only cutting our own fingernails, but especially cutting other people's nails. When my kids were little, I was never able to cut their fingernails. My wife always had to do it because if I can't feel where the nail clipper is going, I have no idea if I'm cutting nail or skin or whatever. But that's not a problem if you have something like the Lil Nipper. This is an electronic fingernail cutter and it works in a really unique way. We're going to talk about that, but the most important thing is that it is completely safe. It is literally impossible for you to cut your skin with this device. And speaking of that, another great thing about this product is that it comes in 3 different sizes. This is the adult size, but there's also a child size and an infant size. So that's fantastic news for the VIP parents out there. The Lil Nipper is very small, maybe kind of reminds me of a stapler, I guess you could say. A tall but short stapler. Made out of plastic, but has these rubberized sections here that make it super easy to grip on. It's not going to slide around in your hands. You also have a grippy section on the bottom so it doesn't slide around on a table. Charging port on the back, and it does come with a charging cable. It's about 12 inches long. Also in the box, you get this soft cloth drawstring bag, which you can store your little nipper in. On the top, you have your power button. Then on the front, you have the slot that you stick your fingernail into. And right above that is a small LED light. Everything on here is very tactile, so even if you are completely blind, you're not going to have any problems using this. Now, I mentioned that it cuts the fingernails in a unique way. When you turn on the Little Nipper, there is a very sharp blade inside. It is a surgical steel blade, and it just slowly goes up and down in front of the opening. So as you stick your nail in there, it slowly slices off little slivers of nail. So that means that depending on how far you insert your nail, and the different angle that you insert your nail, you can choose how much gets cut off. But as I said before, the safety aspect of it is that only your nail can go into that slot. Your skin literally, physically cannot go in there. So there's absolutely no concern of cutting skin. That's great. Now, I know the question you probably have, it works great for fingernails, but can it cut toenails? And it just depends. If you can get the toenail in there, then it will cut the toenail. Let me show you how it works. I turn it on and we've got our little light just came on. This gives you an idea of how loud it is. Not too bad, but that sound is the blade going up and down, up and down. And then we just stick our nail in there and just cutting off little slivers of my nail. As it cuts the nail, the tiny little slivers fall down into a compartment inside. And on the bottom, you have this little sliding door that you can pop open and empty out all the nail clippings. So this is another benefit of the Little Nipper. You don't have nails flying everywhere. You're not going to catch a nail to the eye or anything like that. And in most cases, you don't even need to file your nails because it's such a clean surgical cut. Little Nipper is available on Amazon or through the Clip Different website. I will have links to both down below. The price for the Little Nipper is right around $55. And don't forget that you can get the adult size, you can get the child size, or the infant size. This is going to be a great product for the VIPs who, as I said before, are maybe a little hesitant to use traditional nail clippers. This is going to be great for anyone with any type of mobility impairment, maybe amputees. They also sell a weighted base for the Little Nipper. It's called the Pod Pro. It's a holder for the Little Nipper. It's weighted and it has an anti-slip bottom. It's going to hold it nice and securely. Or if you're a parent with special needs children that maybe they move around too much to use traditional nail cutters, it's not quite safe, this is gonna be a much better option as well. All the links and contact information will be down below in the video description. Once again, a huge thank you to Clip Different for sending out this Lil Nipper so I could make this video for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you'd like to learn more about me and all the other stuff I do, check out the website, theblindlife.net. That's it for this one, guys. Sam with The Blind Life. I will see you next time.